Okay, let's see this question. We're given three variables, x plus y plus z equals to 3. And we want to evaluate this complicated expression. But we see this obvious pattern in this expression. We have x minus 1, y minus 1, z minus 1 in the numerator, and also appears in the denominator. And definitely, we want to use a substitution method, right? Maybe let's call A to be x minus 1, B to be y minus 1, C to be z minus 1. Then what's A plus B plus C? We say that's x plus y plus z minus 3. So x plus y plus z is 3. 3 minus 3, that's 0. A beautiful value. So maybe from here, we can write a C as a negative A plus B. So we're going to use this to get rid of C. Right? So in the denominator, we have A cubed plus B cubed plus C cubed. But what is a C cubed? C is negative A plus B. So let's write this as, instead of writing as a plus C cubed, we write as a minus, because it's raised by cube, negative sign raised by cube, still negative. A plus B cubed. Okay, now we need to remember the sum of cubes formula. Let me write over here. So A plus B cubed, that equals to first one cube plus second one cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared. If you remember, right, binomial theorem, the first term goes descending, the exponent of the first term goes descending order, a cube, a square, a, and no more a. And the exponent of the second term goes ascending order, no b, that's b to the 0, b to the first power, b squared, b cubed. All right, so when we have a cube plus b cube, subtract this. So that's basically just cancel these two. So what's left? We're left with negative 3a squared b minus 3ab squared in the denominator, right? Because the a cube minus a cube, that's 0. B cube minus b cube, that's 0. And subtract 3a squared b, subtract 3ab squared. So the denominator right away simplified to be 2 terms. Well, what about the numerator? Numerator will have a times b times c, right? Okay, let's do that. A times b times c. What's a c? C is negative a plus b. Well, that's negative a squared b, negative a squared b minus ab squared. Right, so this is the numerator, and the denominator is negative 3a squared b minus 3ab squared. Perfect. Do you see a common factor? Negative a squared b minus ab squared. So the denominator, I can factor out 3. If I factor out 3, I have negative a squared b minus ab squared. So numerator, I have negative a squared b minus ab squared. Denominator, I have negative a squared b minus ab squared. These two cancel each other. So what's left? 1/3. All right, great. So this is a good question. Looks like complicated, but it's not.